Kumikislap ang ilaw sa bawat tahanan, may halakhak at saya, ramdam ng lahat. Sa kusina'y abala, may handang pagkain, sa bawat ngiti, ligay bitbitin.
Actually, we celebrate the Family Day, and of course, I know that all of us know what we are celebrating now. It's all about family, right? And we are part then of a family of the bigger organization, the Holy Child Central Colleges. And I know that as a family, naghiniusa ta, we are one together in terms of our mga kausa or ang atuang mga collaboration din sa activities din sa Holy Child Central Colleges.
Pasko'y tunay na masigla. Hey! Clap, clap, hey! Sayaw! Hey, hey! May regalo man o wala, ayos lang din, basta't kumpleto ang pamilya. May kwento ng kahapon, alalay bumabalik, puso'y nag-aapoy.
May tugtog sa radyo, sayaw sa sala, may sintunan